Welcome to OpenCart tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to upload your products. Please log in to your OpenCart administration area. Go to Catalog, select Products. In your product area, select Insert. In your product page, you will have numerous of tabs. You will default in the General tab. On your product name, it is required that you put a name in the product field. It is optional that you fill in the meta tag information and your meta tag description. This information will be useful for search engine optimization. Also, it is optional to use the description, which will describe your product. Also, it's optional to use your product tags as well. Separate them with a comma. This will give the searcher on your website an opportunity to use keywords to be able to search for your product. Once you have completed the General tab area, please go to Data tab. It is required that you put a model number or some type of information that will link you to your product. It is optional. If you would like to have your product available on your website after you save the product, go ahead and leave your status enabled. If you prefer for your product to be available at a later date, go ahead and select Disable. You can put a price for your product in this field. Select if it's a taxable good. Also, a minimal quantity. Force a minimal order amount. Or subtract stock. Or out of stock, which is the status shown when the product is out of stock. Does it require shipping? It's optional to put a SKU number for better tracking of your product. The location of your product, and also SEO keywords that are good for your search engine optimization. It is optional to put a picture to label your product. It is best to use a picture so that your visitor can see your product and be able to make a sound decision to purchase. Click on the icon and your image manager will become available. All pictures should be available for your selection. If the items are not available, click on Upload in the menu area of your image manager and a pop-up box will appear giving you the option to be able to select pictures from your computer. All pictures are available. Go ahead and make a selection. We're talking about camera, so we'll select the camera from our image manager. Double click on the camera. Immediately it will appear in the image area. You can also click again to change it. It's optional to have a date availability. Also, it's best to sort your order of picture where you may want it to appear on your website. It's optional to put description of your camera. It is optional to put descriptions concerning your dimensions of your product. Likewise, its length and class, also weight and weight class for shipping as well. Upon completion of the data area, go to links. Links is a very important area which will select your manufacturer, your categories, your stores, or either add downloads to support your product along with related items that's on your website that will associate to the same product. This is your manufacturer drop-down box. If you have manufacturers available, please select one of them so they can be attached to your product. that is optional as well. Select a category. It is best to select the category in which your product will appear in, giving your user the opportunity to select categories to find your product in your catalog. You can select multiple categories as well. Any related products you would like to add to the product that you have listed here will appear in the area below. After making the selection, you will be able to put those selections in the area that will appear and associated with your product. The image area will give you the opportunity to add multiple pictures of the same product, giving the viewer the opportunity to look at multiple sizes or views of the product that you have uploaded for this particular area. Click on Add Images, click on Icon, and select a different view or a different picture that will associate with the same product that's listed in this area. You can add another picture and so on. Click Save. This is the end of this tutorial.